Oh man, let's go. Got it. Okay, so every single year, Apple launches a new product. And every single year, without fail, I end up scratching my head trying to figure out which model and which color to get. Every tech launch, without fail, this happens. Which is why if you are someone who suffers from decision fatigue when it comes to tech, you're in the right place. You're in good hands. We're with good people. And you should probably just go ahead and sub to this channel right now because...
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
So without further ado, let's just start unboxing this. And then I'm gonna have a top-down angle here as well. This top-down angle is actually shot on the iPhone 13 Pro. If you were ever wondering how this would look as like a secondary B cam, that's your shot right there. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this. Ooh, okay. This is actually really nice. I gotta say, when I first looked at the pictures of the Sierra Blue, I was not for it. I was actually confident I was gonna go with the white color this year. I think I might change my mind because this thing looks clean. Oh man, this is actually really nice. It's not like in your face blue, but it's like very subtle. I like it. I think this looks fantastic. All right, let's boot it up. Uh-oh, already getting scratches on this. Okay, so now before we, break down the different colors and which colors you should get and stuff, here's some B-roll of the actual phone and how it looks. I also kind of wanted to compare this to like my old phone. This is how they look. This is the Pacific Blue. This is the Sierra Blue, the new one. They're both different tones of blue. I like this tone of blue, the new one, more than the Pacific Blue. I might be the minority when it comes to that because a lot of people loved the Pacific Blue, but I actually like this. I like the Sierra Blue. Okay, now let's talk about the actual colors and, which color you should get, what colors are for who. I've had all of them, the black, the new gold, the silver. These are all similar colors than what we had last year. Okay, so let's first talk about the new Sierra Blue. Here's the thing, who should get the Sierra Blue? Well, firstly, if you like the color blue and you like how it looks, then yeah, by all means, go for it. But let's be honest, a lot of people are just gonna slap a case on these things and you're not really gonna see the color in any case, but which color should you get? In my opinion, I think in resale, the Sierra Blue is going to be more popular. So if you do want to look to reselling this down the road when you're rotating phones or you're somebody who changes phones very often, I think the Sierra Blue might be easier to sell because more people want that new color. So that's one thing to keep in mind. The other thing to keep in mind is Sierra Blue is the new kid on the block. So if you're somebody who wants something that's new, something that's different, maybe you had the iPhone 12 and you're switching to the iPhone 13, you might want to be more distinguishable. You might want to be able to, see that this is a new phone. Another thing to keep in mind, Apple kind of has like this one new color. They've been doing this for a few years now where they bring out a new color that year and then they rotate that color out. You don't see it again. Like the midnight green. I was a fan of the midnight green. Same with the Pacific Blue. It came out last year. You're probably not gonna see it again unless they do like another rotation. And now you have the Sierra Blue and most likely this is gonna rotate out at the end of this year as well. So if you're somebody who wants to kind of jump in on that, that trend for that year and then kind of move on to the next color and next colorway, Sierra Blue is the way to go. But I will say this, over time, these more flashier or different colors, I don't know if it's just me, but it started to get boring for me. So like the Pacific Blue, midway through the year, I was like, you know what? Maybe the white iPhone would look better on camera, or I want to try the white iPhone again, or the black one, or something like that, right? So I don't know if that same thing's gonna happen again with this, but just something to keep in mind. Okay, next about the black color. The black color is iconic. It is safe. It's the safe route. It really goes well with different things. I love the sides on the black model, okay? That's my favorite feature of like the black iPhone Pro models. The black stainless steel around the edges, looks amazing. Now, what about the white one? The white one it's classic Apple. Even more than the black, I think the white looks dope. The sides are like really shiny silver, and the back has this frosted glass that gives a white appearance. I think it's really good. It's iconic Apple. And last but not least, gold. The gold color that Apple released last year and they followed up this year again with the same gold color. I actually really like it. It's a great gold color. It shouts sophistication. It's elegant. The way that Apple has done the sides of that gold, oh man, it's really well done. The camera bumps have that same tone of gold, of that stainless steel that goes around the phone. I think it looks really nice. And the back almost looks white. Like if you didn't have the white iPhone beside you when you're looking at the gold one, it pretty much looks white. Which one am I gonna keep? I am almost confident that I'm gonna go with the Sierra Blue this year just because it looks really different. I'm thinking this year, you know what? I might even go caseless. Who knows? But let's see. Also, I thought, you know what, it might be interesting to see how the Sierra Blue looks with several different cases. I just got 2 of them. I have the Apple Pro Max, both leather cases. I have the Midnight one as well as the Wisteria, as well as I got some Apple wallets to see how it looks. Okay, so the Midnight case is not really black. It's like, it pretty much looks black, but you can tell it's like the slight blue, like a very dark blue. I think this might be the case to go with Sierra Blue this year. Midnight with Sierra Blue. I think that actually looks really nice. Yeah, I'm a fan of this. Midnight with Sierra Blue. And then if you were to throw on, let's say, the MagSafe wallet, this is what it will kind of look like, the entire package. Not bad. I like it. Now we're going to look at Wisteria. I don't know if it's for me. Like, my wife really likes this. I think this is the color she might be rocking. It actually looks really nice with the Sierra Blue as well. So yeah, I can definitely see this being a solid pair to rock as well. Let's throw on the Wisteria MagSafe wallet, and that's what it kind of looks like. Nice. Okay, I dig it. I just probably wouldn't use this myself, but it's a nice colorway. I think they've done a good job. All right, so that's about it for today. Hopefully you guys found this video beneficial and helpful to you guys. I know I used to binge these videos before I got into like all this, you know, tech reviews stuff myself. But yeah, hopefully you found this video beneficial and helpful, helped you decide which color you're getting. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite color is and which color, if at all, you're picking up yourself. Share this video on Instagram and Twitter and tag me in it. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay blessed, peace.